Thank you very much for trusting Dairyverse. We are introducing to you Dairyverse Restore County Tours. Restore is a 3-month program to revive health, increase milk yield, and also enhance the health and body condition of your dairy cattle. We have been having these programs across the country, although at a larger scale, or rather we were only covering 5 farms that had 5 animals and above. Although now this is open to every farm that has a minimum of a single cow. You can be able to plug in now and have your farm visited. We will be consolidating the farms that are close to your area and rolling out the program on this farm. Our experts will visit your farm on day 1, day 30 and day 60, and they will take you through this step-by-step journey towards recovery of your cow, leading to increased milk yield and also enhanced productivity. So thank you very much. Kindly contact us for the same from every part of the country. Thank you.